Hello, welcome to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Well, it's been a while. I know I've been busy, but I wanted to take this opportunity to share just some aspects of my life that I think you guys hopefully might be interested in. A couple of things that are going on with me. I've been traveling a lot. We had an opportunity to go to Florence, Italy. Italy is my favorite place. I will be uploading some video in the next couple of weeks on the trip. So here we are today. I wanted to go over a couple of beauty tips and some products that are some of my favorites right now. Unfortunately, I don't have all of them, and that would take like hours to actually film, but there are a few that are just simply magnificent. I love the way they make my skin and my eyes just pop. One is by Tarte, and it's called Tartlette. Phenomenal, all matte colors. I'm gonna try and hold it up in order for you guys to see it. Let me make sure it's in. Yeah, it's kind of nice. It really is nice. It's just a beautiful array of different colors. We have more of the you can see it. This is like a beautiful banana type color. This is more of an earth tone. Then you have the deep darks. You have a brown that goes very nicely with my skin tone and probably with yours too. I think this palette is one for everybody. Tartlette by Tarte. A couple of others that I really love. I found this one just by chance, and I think it was at Ulta Beauty. I really can't even remember, but it's B&H Cosmetics. It's their Wild and Radiant Illuminating Bronzing Palette. Hold on. It's to die for, literally. I have it on now. Let me get it in focus. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And I just love the way it highlights so perfectly. Oh, if you want to glow, try this one. And another one I recently discovered not too long ago. It's a beautiful eyeliner, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this shit right, but Ingot. Phenomenal. I love it. It's the most flawless eyeliner I've ever used, ever in my life, and I'm old. A couple of other things. I do have my own cosmetic line, and I love some of the colors in my line. This one here in particular is chocolate. It's my chocolate eyeliner. It could be an eyeliner, eyeshadow, or for eyebrows. It's very universal. So I love this. It just goes on so flawless. Let me try and show you just kind of how smooth it goes on. And let me make sure I do this right. Oh, it just adds so much depth to the eye. I love it. I really do. I love this. Chocolate by Jacqueline Cosmetics. I'm trying different types of contours. I don't have a whole lot of contour on this morning, but what I wanted to show you was one I found at this little beauty supply place. And it's called Never Touch Up. It's a matte finish, actually, and I'm using it currently as my contouring. So let me see here. Let me get a contour brush. I'm just going to put a little, just so you can kind of get an idea. It's spot on flawless. I love it. I love it. And then I also have a tendency to put it under here just to kind of thin out any excess fat areas that I might be growing into as I age. I love it. I truly love it. This other one I found is by Milani. Hello. And it's called Baked Bronzer. If I can get it open. This beauty here. Oh my God. I put on the Illuminations by B&H Cosmetics. And then what I like to do, I like to go in with just kind of a nice brush. This is, let me see what brush this is. I can't even tell. But I believe it's IT. So I take a little bit and I want to add just a little bit more glow. Oh, it's fabulous. And then I take it and I'm able to also illuminate my collarbones. So please keep that in mind. And one other product that I'm going to show you, I'm not going to really demonstrate because it's my foundation, one of the ones that I use and that I love. And obviously I would have to have a full clean face to start with this. But it's by Blk Opl. And honey, whether you light, black, dark, or brown, trust me, Blk Opl has your color. And what I love about Blk Opl is the fact that they've been doing this for so long for women of color. But they do offer tones for women that aren't of color. So they were, in my opinion, the first brand that really got it right. They said, okay, we want to attract all women. And I kid you not, I don't have to blend, mix, match. It's right up, straight up, perfect. And they also have a full coverage stick. This stick is currently the love of my life in full coverage sticks. Once again, my tone is truly topaz, but whatever you need or like, I'm sure, let me get it in the camera, there's a shade for you. I love it. And I'll go over one other thing that I like. I don't have it on this morning, but this I found just by chance. It's by Radiance, and it's their black eyeliner. If you've used this, ladies, let me tell you, it's spot on perfect. Spot on perfect. And what I'll do, I'll try and show you just how it works. I'm going to look at my mirror, so excuse me for being off camera for a second. It's perfect. It's so smooth and it goes on effortlessly. So I love it. I really do. Oh my God. It's a little bit too much per day, but trust me, you got a night event, you're going on a hot date, this is the one. By Blk Radiance. There. Eyeliner. It comes in black, jet black, and brown, dark brown. So I'll share with you a couple of the lipsticks that I'm fallen in love with and seem to be the love of my life. Once again by Milani. I do like Milani. This is 60, color 60, and I have some on. I'll just kind of go over it. I do love it. And then I like to kind of outline my lips with their 38 double espresso. So, yes. Flawless. This is my look. I love this look. It's a look that I could wear every day. I feel very comfortable at work or going out for an event or traveling. This is kind of my signature look. I'm not always available to do it every week, but I am going to try and update videos every 2 weeks minimum. I'm starting my fashion blog as well, kind of giving you an insight on my style. I'm more of a Carolina Herrera type girl. I love everything she makes. And I'm looking forward to sharing that part of my life with you. All right, if you're interested, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.